Before you turn off the light tonight, there's something you can do that takes about 30 seconds. If you're tired of complicated routines that haven't helped, this is different. It involves a spoon, some olive oil, and one thing from your spice cabinet. And it may change how many times you get up tonight. If you're over 60 and you've been waking up 2, 3, sometimes 4 times a night, you've probably been told the same thing most men hear. Your prostate is enlarged, and that's what's pressing on your bladder. That explanation isn't wrong, but it's incomplete. And the part that's missing is often the part that matters most for those nighttime wake-ups. What gets less attention is what's happening inside the prostate tissue itself. Even when size is a factor, inflammation and tissue sensitivity play an enormous role in how much discomfort you feel and how urgently your bladder signals you to wake up. This is especially true at night when certain inflammatory pathways can become more active while your body is trying to rest. There's a specific compound found in a very common kitchen spice that interacts directly with the enzyme pathway linked to prostate tissue inflammation. When you take it in olive oil at the right time, it creates a sustained delivery system that works during the hours your body does its deepest repair work. The right amount matters. The timing matters even more, and I want to walk you through exactly what this compound is, why it works, and how to use it safely. If this is making sense so far, please tap that like button, and before we go further, drop the word REST in the comments. I do read through them, and it helps me know what topics to cover next. When a man is doing everything right for his heart and his general health, but his prostate is still disrupting his sleep, the missing piece is rarely more effort. The missing piece is a specific type of support that reaches the prostate tissue during the hours when it's most vulnerable to irritation. And that's where the spice I mentioned comes in. To understand why it works, you need to understand 3 things that are happening in your body while you sleep. First, there's a biochemical pathway that directly affects prostate tissue comfort. Your body produces an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. That enzyme converts testosterone into a more potent form called DHT. In prostate tissue, elevated DHT activity isn't just linked to growth. It's also linked to stromal inflammation, the kind of low-grade, persistent irritation that makes the prostate more sensitive, especially when you're lying down and blood flow patterns shift during sleep. This spice contains a compound that has been studied for its ability to modulate this exact enzyme pathway. A 2020 study published in the journal Andrologia looked at this specific seed extract and found that men taking it showed significant improvements in their urinary symptom scores and overall quality of life over a 12-week period. Second, there's the timing. During deep sleep, your parasympathetic nervous system becomes dominant. This is when tissue repair processes are most active throughout your body, including in the prostate. Inflammatory cytokines naturally shift across the 24-hour cycle, and the overnight window represents a period when prostate tissue may be most receptive to supportive compounds. When you take this spice 30 minutes before sleep, you're positioning its active compounds to be available during this exact repair window. And third, there's the delivery system, which is where your olive oil habit becomes more valuable than you may have realized. The active compound in this spice belongs to a class of compounds called saponins. Saponins have a useful property. When they're consumed with dietary fat, they form micelles, tiny structures that significantly enhance how much of the compound your body can absorb and use. Studies on saponin bioavailability show that taking them with lipids can increase absorption by several times compared to taking them with water alone. So those 3 factors are what make this combination work. They're also why the specific spice I'm about to name is so well suited for this exact purpose. The spice is fenugreek. Specifically, ground fenugreek seed. You can find it in the spice aisle of most grocery stores, or you can grind the seeds yourself if you have whole fenugreek at home. The active compound I mentioned earlier is called protodiosine, and it's one of the most studied components in fenugreek for men's health. Now, the dose matters more than you might expect. You want 1/8 of a level teaspoon of ground fenugreek seed powder stirred into your tablespoon of olive oil. That's it. Too much can cause mild digestive discomfort, especially at night when your system is slowing down. Too little and you won't get the sustained enzyme modulating effect that makes the timing worthwhile. The timing is just as important as the dose. You take this 30 minutes before you go to sleep. not with dinner. About half an hour before bed gives the compounds time to begin entering your system as your body transitions into its repair cycle. Think of it like setting a slow-release support system in motion right as your prostate tissue becomes most receptive. During deep sleep, when your parasympathetic nervous system takes over, that's when the active compounds are available in the highest concentration. If you are taking any prescription alpha blockers like tamsulosin or terazosin, which are commonly prescribed for urinary symptoms, do not add fenugreek without checking with your doctor. The same applies if you're taking 5-alpha reductase inhibitors like finasteride or dutasteride. Fenugreek affects a similar pathway, and combining it with these medications without medical supervision is not safe. If you're on any blood-thinning medication, including warfarin or daily aspirin, fenugreek can have a mild effect on platelet function, so you need to clear this with your doctor as well. If you have a hormone-sensitive condition, a known allergy to fenugreek or chickpeas, or any active stomach ulcer, this protocol is not for you. And if you've never tried fenugreek before, start with half that dose for the first 3 nights. Just 1/16 of a teaspoon. See how your body responds before you increase it. And if you're experiencing sharp pain, blood in your urine, or a complete inability to urinate, those are not situations for a kitchen remedy. You need to see your doctor promptly. If you want to give this protocol an even stronger foundation, there's one more thing you can add. 2 drops of food-grade pumpkin seed oil into the mixture, or if you don't have that, a 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground pumpkin seeds stirred in with the fenugreek. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and phytosterols, which have their own research history in supporting prostate health. More importantly, the zinc in pumpkin seeds plays a role in modulating the same 5-alpha reductase pathway that fenugreek affects, which means these 2 ingredients complement each other. What can you realistically expect? On the first night, don't expect much. The compounds are beginning to build in your system, but you may get up the same number of times. That's normal, and it's not a sign that the protocol isn't working. By nights 3 to 5, some men begin noticing a shift. Not necessarily fewer trips yet, but less urgency when they do wake. The sharpness softens. By the end of the first week and into the second, the more noticeable changes often appear. You may find you're getting up 1 fewer time. Or you notice that when you empty your bladder, it feels more complete. You're not heading back to the bathroom 10 minutes after you just went. By weeks 3 and 4, the deeper benefit usually becomes clear. Sleep continuity improves because you're simply not being interrupted as often, and daytime energy starts to reflect what happens when your body gets the rest it's been missing. You may notice you're sharper in the morning, less dependent on that second cup of coffee, more like yourself. If this video helped you understand something you didn't know before, please take a moment to subscribe. I release new videos every week covering practical, research-backed protocols for men over 50, and I want to make sure you don't miss what's coming next. Share this with a man over 60 who deserves to sleep through the night. Tap the video on your screen to watch that next. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope tonight is a little more restful than last night.